If you've been locked out of your Shopify account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page by entering the URL in your browser. This is where you will start the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure to input the correct email and then click on the Send Reset Link button. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Shopify containing the password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Shopify account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance.